we have in loud. Our 2-year journey was fantastic so far with Netsurit, especially with our service executive, Niku. Working with him and the roadmaps, what our vision would be for where our IT needs to go, in today's environment, along with Netsurit and the professional division that they bring in to give you that support, to give you that guidance. Listen, we want to move this route. Netsurit jumps in and say, not a problem. Let's analyze this entire situation. Like completely break it down and say, but we need to look at this, we need to look at this, we need to look at security, and this is how we're going to move forward. It was basically on the relationship side. I love it. At this moment, simple WhatsApp to Higu. I need this done. And there's no questions. He understands my environment. He knows the importance of our citrus industry, or the industry that we are in, especially if it's a packing season and I've got a small problem or something that needs to be done now. There's no waiting time. There's no, you can't give me 8 hours. It needs to be done 2 hours. We're packing season. The fact that we actually have this relationship, build it with Netsurit, makes it so much easier because it's a simple message, a simple email. So I need this to be done. It's thank you, goodbye. And it's done. And we can focus and continue with our work. So that is very important to us. As a company, I think Netsurit and Komati Group share the same values. And that is where we complement one another. So I know my IT is being taken care of and I can focus in-house, making sure we develop our technologies and set ourselves up to grow and expand. Technology is ever changing. Today, you can implement one thing, tomorrow it could be outdated. But fast, but if you actually really look at that's how fast technology changes. So to have a partner that is adaptable, with these changes and with this fast-paced environment, it makes it a breeze. It makes it easy. It makes it fun. You're in good hands. You know that what you want to achieve, you have the necessary resources available to help you, not just as a person, but also the company and where we IT-wise is growing. So 2 years down the line, we now actually have a solid foundation. No longer, on-site service. It's in a cloud. It is the way IoT rather is moving. So for us as Komati Group, our baseline is done. We have our connections, our connectivity in place. Our service is sorted. We have the necessary support, not just service desk, but professional services from Netsurit side as well. So in that sense, still the backbone of our IT has been built. It's solid. It's a foundation. It works. Coming there, you don't see downtime. Downtime is simply not a term for us anymore, which is fantastic. Whatever changes we require, whatever direction Komati Group in IoT is moving, I know my IT partner, Netsurit, has already built a necessary platform for me, which I can just simply expand on. Technology can change, we're already there. So from a point where we moved, the move was done, our support is done, what's next? It's like almost Hakuna Matata. What is? Because we've got the technology, we've got the baseline. And that for me is a fantastic, positive working with Netsurit. It definitely takes a lot of weight off your shoulders. I can focus on what's necessary for the business and make sure that our infrastructure grows and is on level with the cloud-based services which Netsurit actually runs. So it's like two just complements one another, yeah. And I'm absolutely excited for what the next few years is going to hold in for us, what's in store for us, because there's a whole lot of new developments coming in, a whole new plans that we are moving into. And I know for a fact, ons is volwaardig. But yeah, the main point is we always sit down, we chat, and we see where are we going, where do we as a company want to go, and how the Netsurit assist us, and almost in a way lead our hands and say, come walk nice and safely with us. We'll tackle this road ahead. So yeah, the future looks very good for me. I'm excited about a lot of new developments that's going to take place next year. Specifically with our security that's also changing. I think the bottom line here is constant active engagement with Netsurit, always building on what is next, what can improve. Every task, every project that we see, any new technology, automatically find start off the roadmap and we'll start investigating it. And then if this is going to work for us between Komati and Netsurit, we find a middle way. It's like, proceed. It's our journey continuing with Netsurit 2025. Stay tuned.